What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about the 3 dangerous sounds that your vehicle make. The last one, you're going to be shocked. First one is if you hear a grinding sound like that is metal on metal. So that is a metal brake pad touching your metal rotor. And if that is happening, you need to immediately stop your vehicle because of the fact that it can cause brake failure, it can cause you from not braking, and it can seize up the caliper in your vehicle. And you don't want to have those problems, and you'll be unable to brake your vehicle. The next one is a tumbling sound like boo boo boo. That is a belt broken in your tire. And if a belt broke in your tire, that means you're losing handling in your steering wheel because of the fact that since the belt is broken in your tire, you are unable to steer it straight because it's gonna go left or right. So if it's broken in the front left, it's gonna drift off to the left. If it's broken in the right, it's gonna drift off to the right. And you don't want to have those problems because you may be in your lane and you don't want to be like merging over into somebody other lane. And stop the vehicle immediately, change out the tire so you can get to your location and then replace that tire. The next one is silent but deadly. That means you don't have no brakes and your brakes is going all the way to the floor. That means you don't have no brake fluid in your brake line, or your brake line broke, you got water in your brake lines, or you have air in your brake line. And any of those problems occurs, that means your brake pedal is going to the floor and you unable to stop on a dime. It's crazy and it's a very scary thought because of the fact that I've been in that situation where my brake pedal went all the way to the floor and I was unable to stop my vehicle. I was able to stop it, but not stop it the way I needed to stop it. So yeah. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.